Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix van error -72. So this is a connection error, and here are a few methods you can try to fix the issue. So the first one being, you simply just restart your PC. And once you're restarted your PC, just try relaunching Valorant again. Now, if that doesn't help, you can try deleting Vanguard. Go to add or remove program and type in here Vanguard and then click on install, and you simply just uninstall it. Once you've done that, you want to delete Valorant also, and once you deleted both Valorant and Vanguard, you want to relaunch the client. And once you relaunch the client, you simply download the game again. Once the game is done downloading again, it will install Vanguard again. Now, if that doesn't help, here are a few more tips you can try to see if the issue gets fixed. So here's the first thing. You go to search after you've done all of that and click in this. Type in Windows Defender Firewall. Once you open it, go allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings and then click here allow another app. Click browse. You want to go to local disk C. Type in look for program files, not the 86, just open program files, and then in here find right Vanguard. Once you found it, click on VGC, double click on it, and then click add. Once you added it, make sure it's ticked for both private and public. It says Vanguard user mode service. So once you add this, go again to here, click browse, go to C, go to Riot Games. You want to do both for Riot client and you want to do it for client. I already have it added, as you'll see. As you can see on Riot client, and then you want to do it same for Valorant. You basically go allow another app, browse, go back to local list C, Riot Games, Valorant. Now you here go live, shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, and this Valorant Windows 64 shipping. Click open, click add, and it will add it. Make sure to tick both private and public. Click OK, and then simply restart your PC. Now, even if that doesn't help, you can do one more thing before you actually restart the PC, and hopefully this will fix your issue forever. So what you want to do is head over to search, type in run. Once you open run, type in this services.msc, click enter. It will open a window. Once you're in here, click somewhere here once, and then press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Open it or double click on it. It will open a window. Click here. It will say manual or disabled. You simply put it to automatic. Click apply, and you can start it, but it won't work. You have to make sure you put it on automatic and then apply it, and then just simply restart your PC, and that should fix your issue forever. And then once you restart your PC, just relaunch Valorant again, and it should fix your issue, and the game should run smoothly. And that's how you fix van error -72. Hopefully this helped you guys. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.